To edit slow motion video on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the photos, the Google Photos, go into the collections, and now you'll have to open your slow motion video. Now click on it to get the preview and click on the edit button. Now, as you can see, right here we can find a lot of options, like we can make it shorter, we can make it crop, we can erase audio, we can change options like brightness, contrast, some kind of the effects we can quickly apply. Take a look. There's some filters and markup, so we can even put something here. And if you save everything right here, you'll be back into this page where you can actually adjust this slow motion moment. So we can make the whole video as slow motion. Take a look, or we can set it from a specific moment, like for example from this one where I'm dropping something on my desk. There we go. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.